Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and in this video we are going to see for the day 4, that is the floor plan for of the 30 days 30 floor plan in AutoCAD. So basically in this series we are going to learn the complete floor plan drafting from scratch, and today is the day 4 with the floor plan number 4, which is a complete 30 feet cross 40 feet residential floor plan which will be made in the AutoCAD. It will be a step by step tutorial. Okay, this is the plan which is been seen here, that is a 30 feet by 40 feet. You can see it here, like it will be the plan we will be modeling and making it into a PDF format. Okay, I have taken this plan reference from this. Here is the plan that I have taken a reference. Okay, it was the plan, but it was not so professional, like the inner and the outer walls and all that things. So we have just make it in the professional way in the AutoCAD, and made it in the full form like this. Okay, so we will be completely making this 30 feet by 40 feet floor plan from scratch to this place, and we will be export into the PDF format, and it will be available with you for sharing. Okay, just we'll be see here. There are basically 12 steps, 11 or 12 steps we are going to see for this plan. So there are steps like the step 1, that is the set units and the limit. It will be the architectural unit, means the feet and inches we will be dealing in it. Then the step 2, we will be creating the layers. Step 3, that is the start the plan layout. We will be dealing here with the offset tool. There is a offset tool present. I will show you how it works. We will be dealing all of this. We will be making all of these floors in the offset format. Okay, you can see that we will be see the staircase in detail, how to model it, how to perfectly see how to make this staircase, what are the limits present, we need to fix them. Okay, these are the staircase, how to make it, and all the details. It will be the dog like staircase. This is the dog like staircase, we will be modeling it. Okay, it will be in the plan view look like this. Then after we will be see for step 4, that is the apply the wall thickness. Step 5, that is the draw doors. Step 6, that is the draw windows and the ventilators. We will be creating their blocks in the step 7. Then step 8 is that adding the dimension, and after creating all of this we will be add them perfectly into their specific places. Then after we will be adding the dimensions. In the step 9 we will be adding the text and the notes, and in the step 10 we will be adding the hatch walls, and the step 11, that we will be export into a PDF format. Okay, and that's it. It was the day 4 complete, where we will be seeing all the steps. So let's get started with the step 1, that is the set units and the limits. Just go to your model here. Here you will be directed to this page when you double tap on the AutoCAD icon. Here it is the AutoCAD AutoText 2026 version. We are currently working in it. So basically AutoCAD 2026 we are going to see for the new model. So how to get started with the new model? Just click on this new, and then it will open this window here. Okay, you can see here as the drawing 2 is been perfectly seen. You may say seen here as the drawing 1. Okay, so first step, that is to set the unit. So to set the unit we have to just type as the capital UN, just type UN, enter for the units. Then here you can see that the drawing units window has been opened perfectly. In this length we have to choose the type. Basically we are dealing here with the feet and inches format, so we have to choose here in the type as the architectural. Here is the option of the architectural, just choose it. For the meter and centimeter, which is choose the decimal. For the this feet and inches, we choose the architecture. In the precision we are going to choose for the 0 feet 0 inches. In the insertion scale unit to the scale inserted content, we have to choose here as the inches, don't choose here as the feet. Okay, we have to choose here as the inches. Just click on OK, and then after we have to start the model. Before that, starting the model, we have to just control yes, and save our plan wherever required. Okay, here you want, you can save your plan. I will save here into as the name as the plan number 4. We have currently deal with the 3 plans, and this is the 4th plan. Every day there will be one plan for the 30 days. Okay, plan number 4. It will be saved into the .dwg format file. .dwg means the its full form is the drawing. Just click on save, and your model has been saved perfectly as the .dwg file as the plan 4. Okay, now the second step, that is the adding the layers. Then the second step, that is the create the layers. Here we have to create the different types of the layers. That is the wall, door, window, stair, block, then text, dimension, and hatch. There are basically eight these layers. We need to add them with the different colors of them, and there are basically different purpose of them. Okay, so hatching is for the wall hatching. This is all you know. So just I will get started with the step 2, that is the create the layers. So to create the layers, there are three options, just two options. Here you can see that in this is the basically this is the menu bar, this is the above area, and this below bar, this whole area is called as the ribbon area. In this ribbon area, here you can see that the layer option is present. To add the layers, we have to just choose here as the layer properties, and you can see that the window has opened of the layer properties manager. Here you can add, delete, and change the color and all the things, okay, of the layer. So I will close it. The one step is directly clicking on this, and the second step is directly tap as the LA and enter, and you will be directed to this page only. Okay, if you are not able to, when I type here, I am getting here as the option, right? If you are not getting this option, then there is a, here you will be getting here. If you are not getting option like LA, I am entering here, you will get the here option. Okay, to get the option here in this format as here, then we have to on this dynamic input option here. Here we have to add the dynamic option here. Here it is the icon of it. If this icon is not shown in your this customization level here, then we have to go to this customization, and then after we have to choose here as the dynamic input here. Just click on it, and you can see that the dynamic input has been added here. And on this, then after just when you type for the LA and enter, then you can see that the layer properties material manager has been opened. Now we will be dealing here with the adding 8 layers. So we will be adding the 8 layers. As how to add them, just click on this new layer. It is the icon here shown. Just click on this new layer, and you can see that the new layer has been added. Just type here as the wall. Then after we have to just click here once again, and do it for the second layer, that is the door. We can change their color. We will be changing their color after adding all of this, naming all of this window. Then we will be adding for the hatch. Then we will be adding for the this stairs. We will be adding for the stairs. Then after we will be adding for the line, this dimension. Then after we will be adding for the text, and lastly we will be add for the block. In this block we will be adding the all the types of the furniture, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Total 8 are been added. Now we have to change their color. So basically for the wall we will be putting here as the white only. For the window we will be choosing here as the, when you just click on it, then a window of this select color will open here, and in it we have to choose the color for this window. We will be choosing here as the orange. Just click on it and just click on OK. Then after the wall color will be white. Then the text color we will be choosing here as the yellow. Just choose it, or you can choose it from here. I will choose from here. Just click on it, and then after stairs we have to choose here as the green. You can choose from here two colors also. You can choose as per your demand what color you want. As per that you can change it. I will just choose here as the green color. Okay, just click on it, and then after for the hatch we will be choosing here as the gray color. Here it is the gray color. Just choose it and just click on OK. For the door we will be choose here as the pink color, that this is the pink color. Just click on it and just click on OK. Then after for the dimension we have to add for the specific color, like I will be adding this color as the light red. Just click on OK. For the block we will be adding the sky blue color. This is the sky blue. Just click on it and just click on OK, and you can see that all these colors have been added now. This layers have been added now. Just close it, and you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, total 8 layers are been added. And to see them in detail, are they added or not, just click on it, and you can see that this much layers are been added perfectly. Now the second step has been completed. Now the third step, that is the start the plan layout. So basically we will be dealing here with this plan, and we will be making all of these details. So I have added all of this dimension here perfectly. So to see it perfectly, you can see that this is the 30 by 40 feet floor plan, and we will be start from this bedroom part. We will be model first of all this bedroom, then we will be shifting downward. So basically we will be start with this 30 feet. Then after we will be offsetting each and everything, and make this plan perfect. So basically it is 30 feet, and its outer exterior wall thickness is about 9 inch and the interior wall thickness is about 6 inch. This is the exterior wall. This side is also exterior, and this interior walls are called as the are the 6 inches. Okay, so we will be go to our model here. Perfect. Here you can see that just scroll out somewhat. Then we have to choose here a line, or you can directly type as the L and enter. Then after we have to just on this ortho. This is the ortho mode. Just click on it. It will make the line in the 90-degree format, or it will make here the line as the horizontal, or it will make it as the vertical. It will be in the perpendicular line. Okay, just after we have to put here as the distance as the 30 feet. This side you can see that it has been made perfectly. Now we have to offset it perfectly as the 9 inch downward. Just select it, and then after we have to just click on O for offset. Just enter it, and here we have to choose here as the 9 inch, and then after just scroll downward, and you can see that our line has been offsetted. For the offset, it is directly present here option in this modify. Here it is the option as the offset. You can directly click on it and choose the option and do the steps, but the simple way is just click on O in your keypad and just enter it. The offset will be applied, and then after we have to set the offset. So basically for this plan, we have modeled this 30 feet, and we have taken an offset of the 9 inch downward. So uh, the further step is that it is 14 feet 6 inches downward. So 14 feet 6 inch downward, that is the offset of 14 feet 6 inch downward. Just choose it and move it downward. Then after we have to add a interior wall. Just choose it and add a 6 inch interior wall. You can see it has been added perfectly. You can see that 14 feet 6 inch. The first of all we have taken the 30 feet distance. Then after we have added here as the 9 inch wall. Then after we have taken here as the 14 feet 6 inches, and then after we have added this interior wall of the 6 inch. Then after we will be adding this toilet area. Here you can see that this is the toilet part. Here we have to add the 6 feet distance. This is the 6 feet distance in the horizontal way. The same way it is 6 feet in this also. So it is in the same line. So how to add it? Go to our plan. Then we have to just click on O offset. Then click on here as the 6 feet offset as the 6 feet, and escape it once again. Just click on offset. Then we have to just choose here as the 6 feet, and then after we have to just drag this below a line, and 6 feet distance has been applied. 6 feet. Okay, you can see that the distance has been added. Just once again add it for the 6 inch wall. Okay, then we will move further. It is the fastest and the more easiest way I am working on here. After 6 inches we have to make it here as a 17 feet as this living room area. We will make this staircase afterwards. First of all we will be making the basic plan layout, and then after we will be modified. Okay, so basically we have to deal here with the 17 feet once again offset 17 feet, and click here and press it downward. Then after we have to choose here as the 9 inch as the exterior wall, and you can see that all the layout has been perfectly seen. You can see that after 17 feet we have added a 9 inch exterior wall. Now the next step, that is adding this line, adding this 40 feet length. Okay, so for that we have to choose here as the line, and here we have to drag here as from the top end, or you can just directly choose here as the line, and you can directly choose from the this side to this. You can see that it is 40 feet, and then after we have to offset it for the 9 inch inward, because we have taken here as the 30 feet distance overall. So we will be taking here inward as the 9 inch. Then after we have to deal here with the different steps. Here the distance of this bedroom is taken as the 14 feet. We will be firstly modeling this bedroom, and then after this bedroom, and move then below. Okay, then it is 14 feet here, 14 feet here. So we have offsetted it 14 feet. Enter it, and just choose this line and just drag it. Then once again drag it for the 6 inch, a 6 inch wall for as the interior wall, and then once again as the 14 feet, and once again as the 9 inch exterior wall. After that you can see that our plan has been the bedroom part has been completed. Okay, so just tr enter and delete this part. We don't require this part, just delete it. Then after we will see for the next part, that is the this toilet part. this toilet part distance is taken here as the 8 feet, 8 feet distance, and it is also 8 feet. How it dimension are been measured means you may have a doubt like why is this 14 feet cross 14 feet 6 inches taken, why it is not 14 feet by 6 feet and 14 feet. It is the standard. We take that first of all we take the width and then after for this length. Okay, so we for this bedroom one we have taken here as the 14 feet and the length we have taken here as the 14 feet 6 inches. Like this it works. For this toilet part we have taken here as the 8 feet and the 6 feet height we have taken here as the length as the 6 feet, right? Now we have to adjust here as the 8 feet of the width, same way here as the 8 feet. So go to our plan. In our plan we have to choose here as the first of all, to make it very simple and more concise, we just do one thing that here we just model this kitchen part here, and then after, or let it be, we will be start here only. Whatever we have added, just trim that part to make our geometry clean. So for that we have to just type tr and just clean our geometry whatever we have added. Like this part is not required, these two lines. Okay, same way we have to delete this. Just how to delete it, just click on tr and enter, then the trim tool will work. Here you can directly choose this icon as the trim which is present in this modify, and then after we just delete it perfectly. You can see that it has been perfectly deleted. Same way it has been deleted here. We have to delete all of this part to make it more perfect and do the work very fast in fast way. Just select it and drag it. Okay, you can see that our geometry is now clean. Now we can do further step that now we will be adding this 8 feet as the this distance here. So we will be choosing your plan, and here we have to choose here as the offset as the 8 feet. Just O enter, then we have to put here as the distance as the 8 feet. 8 feet feet symbol is present in your keypad. Okay, just enter it, just click on it, and then after a offset of 8 feet has been made. Same way we have to add a offset of about 6 inch as the interior wall. Just enter 6 inch and you can see that the detail have been made here. Same way we have to add here for the 8 feet as the this toilet part. Okay, just choose it, and once again we have to choose here as the 6 inch as the interior wall, 6 inch, and you can see that we have perfectly added all the details. Okay, for the toilet part, just we need to extend this command. You can see that when I just trim it, we will be trimming, it will be deleted all this. Just I will try it, and you can see that the below line is also gone because it has not no intersection, then the line will be gone. Okay, so how to avoid that, we just enter as the ex, for the ex as the extend command, and just drag it, and you can see that it has dragged till this second point. Okay, same way we will be added here. Then after we just trim this part. Okay, and like this way we have trimmed, and our two toilets have been perfectly made. Basically this is the master bedroom, and it has a attached toilet here, and this is the common toilet which is accessible to everyone. Okay, and this is the master bedroom, so it has been added here only. Okay, like this way it works. Now after adding this 8 feet 6 toilet part has completed, now we will be seeing the further details. Like we will be adding this kitchen part. Here you can see that this distance is about 8 feet. This is 8 feet and this is 10 feet. So we will be go to our plan here. In it, first of all we will be offsetting here as the 10 feet as upward for this kitchen part, and then after we will be adding a 6 inch as the interior wall. Okay, you can see that it has been added perfectly. Then after we just trim this part, so for the proper modeling. Then after we have to add here as the offset of the 8 feet, enter, and choose this part, this line, and extend it here, offset it here. Then after we have to choose here as the 6 inch, enter. You can see that the kitchen part has been made, that is the 10 feet by 8 feet. Now we have to choose make this dining area. To make this dining area, its distance is about 7 feet and 9 inches. Here you can see that it is 7 feet and 9 inches. So how to add it? So we will be offsetting it in the same way. Offset as the 7 feet and 9 inches. It is 9 inch, right? 7 feet and 9 inches, right? Offset it as the 7 feet 9 inch, and we will be offsetting it forward in this way. Then we have to add a 6 inch as the interior wall. and you can see that after that its distance will be 11 feet and 6 inches. So yeah, we will be seeing that whether it is 11 feet or 11 feet 6 inches or not. To see that it is present or not, we have to choose here as the dimension tool here, and just drag here and place here. You can see that it is shown here as the 11 feet 9 inches as the length. Okay, but we want here as the 11 feet 6 inches. It is 11 feet 6 inches. Why it's showing that? Let's see once again. Is there problem any? We have added the different dimension or anything. Just choose it, and it is 30 feet, right? It is about 9 inch. Then after we will be seeing here as the choose this point. It is 8 inch. This is 6 inch. This is 7 feet. We should take here as the 7 feet 9 inch. It is correct. Same way it is 8 feet 6 inch. Same here we will be taking here as the 11 feet 9 inches, and here it is 11 feet 6 inches. Why it is showing like that? Is there a problem? 7 feet 9 inches. This is 6 inch wall. Let it be. We will be seeing it in perfect way. Just delete it once again. Offset it as the 11 feet 9 inches 6 inches in this direction. Enter it, and we will be offsetting here. Okay, then after we have to make a 6 inch as the interior wall. Okay, looks like here we have added a different 3 inch extra wall. Okay, so we will be adjusting it. So for that we go to our plan. In our plan we have to offset it here as the 7 feet 9 inches. Okay, you can see that it has been seen in this problem like here. It is not perfectly matching, so looks like there is a problem. There is no problem. Just click on offset. Here we will be taking here as the 8 feet as the interior wall. Okay, adjust it. Then we have to choose here as the 6 inch as the this interior wall. Then we have to make here as the line as the 7 feet and half inches, or we can directly take here as the 8 inch. Okay, we will just taking here as the 8 feet as the. Here you can see that its dimension is wrong because I have added a till here only, but it is till here it is 8 feet. So this dimension is wrong. So I will just change it here to 8 feet and 10 inches. Okay, like it works, because it is just gave us the problem. Just go to dimension once again and see its dimension. It should be 8 feet. It is 8 feet, right? Then after we have to just trim this area because it is a opening part. Just Control Z, and we need to extend it also. Extend to this part, EX, extend, and then we have to trim this part. Okay, like this way we have made this area. We have to just choose this erase this area and make this part. Okay, just extend it once again, then TR, enter, and trim this part. After that you can see that this is the living room, this is the dining area, this is the kitchen. We will be adjusting their levels. So first of all we will be just trim this part. This is the opening, right? Here we will be adding the staircase. At that time we will be just adjusting it. So for now, as we have modeled it perfectly, the walls, you can see that it is the zero layer. When I select it, it is in the zero layer. So whatever you have added, just select it, and we have to just choose here as the wall layer. Just click on it, and you can see that it is a wall layer. Just escape it, and when you click, you can see that it has been added in the wall layer format. Now to do the further details, we have to just extend this part also. We have to trim whatever is not required. So to trim whatever is not required, just choose here as the icon as the TR and press enter, or you can let it be at the end of it. We will be trimming the whatever the part we have added, it is required, so let it be. Now the next step is that we have added all the walls and all the things. Now we will be adding the staircase area. Then after we will be starting with the drawing the doors, then the windows, then we will be starting with the furniture part, then the text, dimension, and the hedge. Okay, so basically we'll be start with the staircase part. Just we go to our plan. In our plan we have to first of all choose here as the layer type as the stairs. In it this part will be of the stairs. Just we have to click on the offset, and here we have to take here as the 3 feet as the offset from here. Okay, you can see that 3 feet offset is been taken here. Same way we have to take here as a 3 feet offset, because the landing part, the distance of the staircase should be about 3 feet. Okay, we have taken the 3 feet as the offset. Just click it, and we have to change its layer to the stairs, and you can see that it has been changed perfectly. Just trim this part, it is not required. Now we will be seeing how to add a staircase. We have covered that. The step 3, that is the start the plan layout, that is a room by room method. We have offsetted this part. Bedroom 1 we have made, then bedroom 2, then central lobby, okay, living room, and all this area we have made. Now the staircase part, it will, as per the detailed plan, it will be a dogleg staircase. Over its size is about 6 feet and 6 inches, and 9 feet 6 inches. The staircase stair width, here the width will be like 3 feet. The minimum is the 3 feet. Okay, we have to take the 3 feet, and the riser height will be the 6 feet 6 inches, and the thread height is the 10 inches. What is the riser and what is the thread? You can just zoom out. I will just zoom out here, and you can see that the whatever the from this I will go from here. You can see that I am going upward, means this vertical part is called as the riser, and this where the one is placed, the horizontal part is called as the thread. Okay, the thread height distance we take, it is the 9 feet 9 inches, and for the riser it is 6 inches. Okay, there is a formula present for the calculation of it. Okay, the riser and thread, the thread is about 10 inch. It is taken. Okay, it is confirmed, we can't reduce it. You can take it as the 9 inch or 10 inch as per your demand, but we can't go beyond 9 inches. Okay, so how to calculate the number of staircase or the riser? To calculate the riser, we have to is equal to, there is a formula present as the total height of the floor. The we take here as the 10 feet as the floor of a total height of the floor, total height of the floor divided by, we take it as the number of stairs, or we can take the inverse to find out the number of stairs. So basically, to find the riser, basically riser is equal to, for this plan, so basically for this plan, the total height of the floor will be, just I will copy this, and we will go to our model here. Just I will be choosing here as the text, just I will paste here, and by that, the riser height, here you can see that the riser is equal to total height of the floor. We take it as the 10 feet. 10 feet is equal to 10 feet 10 feet is equal to 1 into, we have to multiply it by 12, because 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Okay, so it will be 10 feet. For the 10 feet, it is about 120 inches, divided by number of the stairs. Basically, we want here as the 18 steps. We can take it as the 20 steps or the 18 steps. Okay, so the value here will be coming as the what will be the value? 120 divided by 18, that will be 6.66 somewhat. That is 120 divided by 18, that is 6.66. We take the value as the 6.66. Okay, this is the riser height, and to calculate the same way the number of the stairs, if you have the risers, I will just choose here as the 1 feet. Just I will adjust the length here. Okay, you can see that if the number of the stairs we need to find out, and the riser height is fixed, it means the number of stairs is equal to, what will be it, the total height of the floor, that is the 120 inches, divided by the riser height. If you take the riser height as the 6 inches, is equal to we take its value as the 120 divided by 6, that value comes about 20. So we need to add the number of the stairs as the 20, but basically for this plan will be adding the 18 number of the stairs. So for that, we have taken the here the 18 number of stairs, and the riser we have taken here as the 6 feet 6 inches 6 inches. So basically this is the riser. This upcoming overcoming part is called as riser. But basically in this plan view we make here as the this we make the trade only. Okay, so we have to make here as the 18 steps. So for that 18 steps we need to do perfectly. So go to our model here. Then after you can see that we have added here 3 feet here and 3 feet from this side, and extended offsetted 3 feet from this side, as this is the landing part. Now we just offset it as the 10 inches for every step. Just choose here as the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will be taking here as the 9. Okay, now we will be just escaping it, and just press EX for extend, and just drag it forward. Okay, like this way you can see that I have extended it properly. And we need to extend this line also for the further. uh, you can just extend it, okay, like this way. Same way for this we can extend it here. And to be noted that we should be adding only 18 steps. So I just delete that step because it was the 19 step. So basically to see the 18 step, we have to first of all trim this part. Inner part is not required. It is the here we will see the perfect detail. Okay, now we'll see are the total 18 step or not. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, and this part is 8. Okay, because I have deleted this one, and this one is 1. Okay, this is the 9, this is the 10, and this one is the 8. Means overall we have taken here as the 18 steps. Like this way we make the staircase. Okay, and we have added extended this part of the floor also, means the wall also. Just we need to uh, make a line here. Okay, just extend it in the ortho mode should be on here. Just choose it, and then after we have to extend this line, and just press here as the TR enter, and we have to delete this part because it is not required now. And you can see that our model has been perfectly seen here. Same way we have to add here some wall here. So we will just select it and move forward in this length. Then we have to just extend it forward, then trim this part. This part is not required now, and this part is also okay. Like this way we make the staircase in our model. If this layer is different, this layer is different, so we will be just making our new line here. So for that line we will just choose here as the line, then in it we have to choose here as the layer as the option as the wall, and just drag this part, two parts, and your line has been made. The wall length has been perfectly seen here. Okay, like this way we make the staircase. Okay, after that we will be start with the different step of the adding the doors. To add the doors we have to make the doors. So to make the doors we will just first of all go to our layers. In it we have to choose here as the door. So in this door we have to choose here as the rectangle for the door, and we have to make the door perfect. You can see in our plan that the door has been seen perfectly here. Okay, we will be modeling this type of the door, and in it we have added two types of the doors, that is the door 1, that is the 3 feet, and door 2, that is the 2 feet 6 inches. In the previous videos you have seen how it actually works, but now in this video I will show you some different method. Okay, so for that first of all we have to go to this we have to just go to this different layer of this uh, where it is door. We have to choose here as the door, and then after we have to choose here as the rectangle, and just zoom in, and then make a rectangle here, and we have to put here its dimension. So its dimension will be, you can see that the two dimension are been shown because of the dynamic input we have added on here. Because of this input the two dimension are been shown. When I off this window you can see that the result are not been seen, and it is very complicated to see. So we have to always on this dynamic input. Okay, now to further detail how to make this door. So to make this door we have to choose here as the width as the 3 inches. Then we have to press as the tab, don't press as the enter, we have to press as the tab. Just press tab, and then after we have to choose here as the length as the height of the wall, this door as the what is it, we will be taking here as the 3 feet as the width of it. So first of all we have to make the first below part, so we will be taking here as the 6 inches, and this is the uh, support for this our door. So once again we have to choose here as the rectangle, or you can type as the REC and enter. Then we have to choose the base point here. Then after we have to choose here as the width, as let's take 3 inches. Tab, we have to put here as the width of the what we are taking. Basically I am taking here as the 3 feet as the wall. Just the door, just enter it, and you can see that the door line has been made. Just you can see that it has been in at a some distance. So I just move it, choose this base point here, and drag it and move it on this. Just select it, or just go to here the arc in the draw toolbar. Here we have to go to this arc. Just put this icon here, and then after this window will open here. We have to choose here as the center line, center, start, end. We just choose it. Then after we have to choose this first end base point, and then after we have to choose this point, and just drag it forward. We should be on in the ortho mode. Just drag it, and you can see that the door has been made. Same way we have to add this part also. CO, enter, and we will just drag this part, and you can see that the door has been made. Same way we have to make a block of it. So to make a block of it, so just go to this block in this ribbon area. Just to go to this block, in it we have to choose here as the create. Just click on this create, then a window will open here. We have to choose here as the name, as the window will of the door definition will open. In this name we have to choose here as the door 1, and we have to specify the base point. Just choose here as the peak point. In it we have to choose this base point here. Then after we have to just select the object. Just click on the select, just drag it, and click on enter, and you can see that the reference is being seen of the door is being seen here. Just click on OK, and now you can just click on it, and you can see that it has been converted into a block format. To if you want to insert it, you can directly insert from here. Just click on it, and you can see that it has been inserted here. So I don't require it, just delete it. And now the main door part has been completed. Here we will be adding the main door, but there are basically two doors, that is the 3 feet, and second one is the 2 feet 6 inches. So for the second one, we just copy this first of all in the ortho mode on. Then after we just this is the second part. Then we have to just select it, and then tab here as the ESC for the scale, or you can directly choose from here as the scale option in the modify. It is present here. I will directly type here as the ESC, enter. Then after we have to just choose this point. Okay, and you can enlarge it like this way, but it's not proper way how to enlarge it. You can directly choose here as the scale of the 0.8 or 0.7, but for the proper reference as the 2.2 feet 6 inches, we have, there is option present here in the specify the scale factor. Here we have to choose here as the reference. We have to type here as the R and enter, and you can see that the specify the reference end. We have to specify, choose here as the first point, then choose this as the second point, and you can choose whatever length you want. Here we can type here as the 2 feet 6 inches, and click on enter. You can see that it has been reduced. You can see its distance also, it has been reduced. Okay, so now we will be adding the this door. So to add these doors, we go see wherever the doors are present. Here you can see that the main door is present here. uh, the D1 door, that is the 3 feet door, is present for this living room and this 2 bedrooms. Okay, here is the open area for this kitchen and this dining room. Okay, so basically for this bedroom and this living room, we will be adding the 3 feet doors. So just go to our plan. Here we have to choose here as the 3 feet doors. Just click on M, enter. In it we have to choose for this main doors, and then after we have to just off this ortho, just off this ortho, or you can first of all extend this part also. Just extend it for the fastest modeling. Okay, then after we can delete it. Just choose this part. Then we have to choose here as the move, or you can just select it, CO, enter, and specify the base point. We have to choose here as the base point. Just choose this, and we have to select this as the base point. Here you can see that it has been perfectly set up with the base point. Okay, now we have to specify here as the bedroom 1, base point here. We have to just specify here base point, and same way we don't need to add this also. Once again we have to just mirror it, select this part, and type here as the mi mirror, and we can directly move here and place it here, and here you get a source object as the erase source object. Just click on no, and it will work only in the 90-degree format when you on this ortho mode. Okay, choose this ortho and just click on no. You can see that the door has been added perfectly. Now the main doors have been added. Now we have to add the these doors. Okay, the this what toilet doors. So the toilet doors have been placed one here and second here. Okay, this is the master bedroom, so it has been attached to it. Okay, and this is the open toilet, so it has been open to everyone. Just to go to the plan, in this plan we have to go to this, choose this, just choose the one point, and co enter, choose one point, specify base point. Then after we have to just drag here and place it like this way. Okay, and you can see that it has been placed it properly. Just choose this part, it is the smaller door, and then after we have to just mirror it. So for that mirror you can directly type emi, or here is the option present as the mirror. In the modify there is the option present as the mirror. Just choose emi, and we have to just drag the point, and you can see that it has been mirrored properly. Just say no, or you can delete it. Then after you can see that we have to select it and move it properly. Just enter, move this base point to this part, and you can see that it has been properly placed. Okay, and you can see that the door has been placed here. So one door we have to add here. So for this door we have to just select this co enter, and we have to place this it has this place. Just choose it. Then we have to just rotate it like this way. Just select this, rotate, and choose the base point. Choose this ortho mode on. The ortho mode should be on. Just make it 90-degree. Then we have to just move it in this way at this corner point, or you can just trim this part first of all. Then we can just move it here. You can see that it has been placed properly, and all the doors are been now properly placed. Here we have to make an opening. We will be making it. Okay, first of all we will be just erase the unwanted thing, like the this here the it is unwanted, so we will be erasing it. Here in this door part it will be all trimmed. Just type tr enter, and just select this part and trim it. Same way we have to trim this part also. Just select it and trim, as this will be the wall format. Okay, wall, here all the wall will become. Same way we have to delete it, and delete this, trim this door part also. Just trim this, and you can see that our geometry is now clean. And now you can delete this two part, that whatever we have added. And you can see that we have added the doors also. Just Ctrl S and save your plan first of all. You can see that we have modeled the doors. Now the kitchen part will be first of all modeling here. You can see that this here you can see that it has been present here with a length here. Okay, here we have to choose here as the line. First of all L enter. Here we have to make a line distance as here. Okay, first of all we have to choose here as the wall. L enter, place a wall here. Then offset it perfectly. We have to place a distance here. First of all, for the offset it will be about 3 feet, or you can take it as the 4 feet also. I will take here as the 3 feet. Okay, you can see that it has been placed. Same way we have to offset here also. Just first of all extend it or make a line. Just I will extend it, and then after we will be making a line. So offset of this at a 2 feet distance, or let's say 3 feet distance. Just select it, and you can see that the 3 feet distance has been selected. Then we have to trim this part. This part is not required. Okay, you can take here as the 2 feet also. We have taken here 3 feet. Here it has been 2 feet, so we will be taking here also as the 2 feet. Just what you do, then offset it in the 1 feet format, 1 feet, and offset it upward like this way. Just trim this part, and you can see that it has been trimmed properly. Same way we have to trim this part also. Same way this part also, and you can see that we have trimmed it properly. Now we will be see the further part, that we will go to our model here, and we have seen that whatever we have seen, we will see that the step 1 we have set the unit, step 2 that is the we have created the layers, step 3 that is the we have started the plan layout, and we have offsetted all this layout, then we have made the staircase and see the all this detail of the staircase, how it is made, what the riser and what is the thread, and the difference between the uh, how to capture all of this detail for the staircase formula, how it is. Then the step 4 we have taken here as the apply the wall thickness. First step we have done is for the in the offset only, added the 9 inch as the wall. Then the step 5 we have drawn the doors. Now the step 6 that we have to draw the windows and the ventilators. So basically ventilators is the window for the toilet part. So basically for the there are basically three types of the window we are taken, as the window 1 has the 4 feet, window 2 has the 5 feet, and the ventilators part has the 2 feet. So how to deal here with, you can see in this plan also, here we have added the three types of the windows. Window 1 has the 4 feet, window 2 has the 5 feet, and window ventilator part has the 2 feet. So we will be adding them at in the basic format. Just to go to our plan, in it we will be adding them. So they are basically present here. Just choose the layer of the window, just choose it, then we have to type here as the L, enter for the line, and choose here as the midpoint. Just select this midpoint here, you can zoom it, and then after we have to place an offset of the 2 feet, because we are making here as the 2 feet 4 feet window, as the standard window sizes are about 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, or 6 feet. Okay, we are generally taking here as the 4 feet and the 6 feet. 2 feet windows are for the toilet parts. Okay, so just we are going here for the 4 feet window, and so for that we will be adding a 2 offset with the 2 feet in this way, and 2 feet in this direction. Just select it and place it here. Then after we have to just make a line from this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, if this option of the midpoint is not shown, we have to on this snap cursor, just and to see it more detail, just click on it, and we have to on this part. Okay, the end point, midpoint, center, node, and extension and all these steps. Okay, you can add different also, whatever required you. Just delete this inner part, then we have to offset it to make it look perfect. Just we will be offsetting 1 inch. We will be offsetting it in the these two parts. Okay, and we will be deleting this inner part. Just delete it, and you can see that it has been perfectly made. As you know that this and this windows are been this and this room are been same, so we will be not making once again all this. So we will be what do, we will be just select this part, and then after we will just press here as the mi, or press here as the mirror tool here. Just click on it on this modify, and then we have to just select this midpoint, just drag it downward, and you can see that erase the source object. We will be not erasing it. Just click on no, and you can see that the window 2 has been this window has been added perfectly. Okay, now the second part, that is the here is also the window 1, here is also window 1 of 4 feet. So we will be adding them, and same we will be replicating them, or we will be just moving them, mirror them. Then once again just click on this line in the layer of the window, just choose this midpoint, just to choose this point, escape it. Then we have to just offset it in the 2 feet format. We can mirror this in the other direction also, but I will just make it here. First of all, before mirroring it, I will just make a block of it. Just make a block of it. Just go to this create. In this block we have to just go to this create. In it we have to choose here as the window 1 window. Here will be the 4 inch window, 4 feet window. Just choose this pick point, and we have to choose the pick point, basically this location. Then we have to select the object, just drag it, and select this part, and then shift and unselect this wall. Then after just click on enter. You can see that the window 4 has been taken. Just click on OK. You can see that it has been in the form like this. So I will just delete it, and now we will be just replicating this form. In the previous 3 videos, or the 3 models, we have seen that how to make it manually, so one by one. But in this we will be just making it in the form of the we have made one, and we will be just adding one by one, copying it. So CO enter. Then after we have to choose here as the midpoint, wherever it is present we have to choose this midpoint. Okay, and we have to just place here. Then after we have to just go to this here. In it we have to first of all select it. Then we have to, this orientation is been complete, and here no window is present. You can see here that here the no window is present in this orientation. We have to make it into a perpendicular 90-degree format. Go to your plan. In it we have to choose this window in the block format, and then after we have to rotate it perfectly from the center, and we have to on the ortho in the 90-degree it has been rotated. Then we have to choose here is the midpoint, and you can directly delete it first, and you can directly choose from here also, mirror it or rotate it. First of all we will be copying it, CO enter, place it in this only, and then after we have to choose it, delete it, CO enter. We will be just moving it downward, and see our own steps only. RO enter. We have to choose this midpoint, rotate it further here. Then after we have to choose M move command, and we have to specify the of this ortho. We have to specify the midpoint here, and just move like this way in this midpoint. Okay, for this midpoint, here you can see that it has been not moved in the proper way. So we will be just choosing this point. Then we have to just place a reference here. So for the reference we have to choose this point, and then after we have to just drag it here, and place it perpendicular to distance. Here you can see that the door has been perfectly made. Or you can directly make as per the previous videos or whatever I said. Just now copy this part, CO enter, just select this, select it, CO. We have to place it in the midpoint of it. So we have to just choose this point, and then after we have to just drag it here, and you can see that it will be not the midpoint. This it will be in the different format. So let it be, I will just make it one. We have to just choose this part, just choose it, CO enter, just choose this part. We have to choose this midpoint as it is connected here. Okay, we have choose this midpoint, and it is perpendicular distance. You can see that it has been perfectly made. Okay, like this way we make it the, and same way here is also a window. Just select it and place it, and like this way we can see that the window has been made for the kitchen part also. Now for the hall it is the bigger window. So for that we go to this line. In this line we will be offsetting it in the from the midpoint. Okay, just offset it in the, it will be about 2.5 feet distance. Okay, 2.5, or we just take it as the 2 feet 6 inches, and enter it. First of all we have to escape it, offset it 2 feet 6 inches, and then after we have to just drag it above, and drag it below. We will make a line here, same way, the same prediction, same way we will be making it. Make a line. Then we have to delete this part, inner part, just delete it. We have to offset it once again as the 1 inches, 1 inch offset. We have to delete this inner whatever you added, and we have made a window. So for that we just make a block of it also, but it is not required, so let it be. And then after we just make this part has been completed of the adding the windows. Now we have to add the third type of the window, that is the ventilators. So for that we just choose here as the line. In this line we have to choose for the midpoint. You can choose here as the midpoint, and then after we have to offset it into 1 feet format, because the this window for this toilet part will be about 2 feet. So we will be offsetting 1 feet here, 1 feet here. Then we will be just making a line here from the center, escape it, and we delete this part. Then we will be offsetting it in the 1 inch format, 1 inch offset, offset in this direction, offset in this direction. Then just delete this inner part. Then we have to just select this part. Okay, as the same window will be appeared here. So for that we have selected it, and just we will be choosing here as the mirror command. And you can see that this is the midpoint of the both the ends. So the specify, we just choose here and drag it downward and choose here as the no, and you can see that it has been placed it perfectly like here. Okay, the windows are now been perfectly added. All the windows we have added. One window is remaining, looks like here though in the dining area there is a one more window as the window one only. So we will be just selecting this window, just CO enter. We will be just specifying the center point. Okay, we have specified the center point. Then after we just choose here as the center and just drag it downward in the center format and place it downward like this way, and you can see that it has been placed, it has not placed properly, so we will be just move it. Okay, just choose this part. Then we have to just move it in the perpendicular distance. Select it, delete it. Once again we will be going here, select this part, CO enter. We will be just specifying its midpoint in the perpendicular distance. We will be choosing here with the reference of it. Okay, just choose this reference point, so for the faster modeling. Then after we just choose this midpoint, after that we just click on it, and you can see that it has been perfectly defined. Okay, now we have to see the further step, Control S. We have added the windows part. Now we need to add the furniture. What is the, we have created the drawn the windows and the ventilator. Step 7, we have created the blocks. Now we have to step 8, that is the add the dimension. Then after we will be adding the text. Till now the main part has been completed, means the total part was this part. Okay, Control S till now, and it has been 70% of the work has been done. Only the 30% work has been remaining. So for now we will be making the dimension. For the dimension, we will first of all choose here the block here in this layer as the dimension, and then after we will zoom in here and place our dimension properly. For the dimension to be placed, here we go to this annotation. In it we have to choose the dimension. In it we have to just select it, and you can see that it has been very small size. It is 30 feet, but it is not showing that much, very small size. Okay, so how to increase this size? Here you can see that it is showing in the different dimension also. So how to change it to the feet and inches? So we have to just type as the dimsty. For the dimension style manager, just click on it, dimsty, enter. And then after a dimension style manager window will open like this. In it we have to choose here as the new. Then a window will open of the create new dimension style. In it we have to choose here as the 01, then continue. Then after we have to just window will open of the new dimension style 01. Here in this the symbol, we have to choose whatever you want. In this arrow size, we will be taking here as the 6 inch, or you can take here as the 4 inch also. Here in this, for the architectural, we generally take it in the architectural tick. Okay, you can see its reference here. Then we go to this text. In this text, we will be adding the text in the form of 10 inches. Okay, just type here as the 10 inches, and you can see that it has been perfectly added. Then after the go to this primary unit, other are not required that much. Then we go to this linear dimension unit. We go to this unit format. In it we have to choose for the architectural. After that we have to choose for this precision. In this precision we have to choose here as the 0 feet 0 inches for the architectural. And you can see that its reference is being shown here, 9 feet 4 inches and all that. Just click on OK after all these steps, and then after we have to just choose here as the set current, and just choose here as the close. Just delete this part. Then we go once again to this dimension and choose this inner part. We have to choose it perfectly, because we have to choose it from the point to point like this way, and you can see that it has been the 30 feet. Okay, so I want the inner distance of it right here, that is the 14 feet. I can add it in the faster way by just escaping it and just clicking on it, clicking this dimension here, and when we just go on here, then a window will open like this. In it we have to just choose here as the continue dimension and just place the dimension here, and you can see that the dimension are being fixed here, applied here. You can just place it, and you can see that all the dimension are been added. You can see that whatever the dimension, like the 6 inch interior wall, 14 feet distance of this, we have perfectly seen how it has been added. Okay, then after we will just add for this part direction. Upper part has been completed. We will now add for the downward part. So for that we will just choose this part, and choose this part, that is the 14 feet 6 inches. Then after we will just choose here as the continue dimension. When we choose the continue dimension, we have to add each and every steps. Okay, here it is a 6 feet. Then this is the 6 inch. This 6 feet is for the toilet area. This is the 6 inch. Then after we can see that it is about 17 feet, and the last one it is about 9 inch. Okay, we have to add for the whole dimension here also. Go to this dimension, in it we have to choose this end point, and we have to just select this part and just drag it upward, and you can see that it is a 30 feet by 40 feet distance. Then we have added this part, but we don't know this, here we are not able to see for this distance. So for that we have just choose this dimension once again, then just drag this part, and here you can see that it is the 8 feet distance. Same way for this also, you can just drag it, place it here, and you can see that 8 feet distance has been added here. This is the 6 feet wall here, it is in present here for this toilet part. No need to add double distance like here. We will be needing this staircase area, so we will be adding just staircase part, that is the 6 feet 6 inches, where we have added here as a 3 feet as this offset, 3 feet this offset, and 3 feet this offset. The inner part is about 6 inch. Okay, then after we have to add for this kitchen part, just drag and select this part. Okay, just select this. Same way we have to drag and select this drawing area, means dining table area. Okay, and you can see that its distance is being placed here perfectly. The inner dimension we have added are about, inner thickness of the wall is about 6 inch, and the outer is about 9 inch. So we not need to add every time that 6 inch and 9 inch, we can understand that, right? Then after we have to just add one more dimension here for this kitchen part, that is the 10 feet. Okay, 10 feet distance has been added perfectly, and you can see that all the dimension are now been added. Okay, that is the 14 feet 6 inches, it has been capable for this also part. Then what to do, we have to add the text. Before the adding the text, we will be adding here as the staircase lining. So go to text, choose here as the text format, and to see the text lining, that what we are going to add, we are going to add this lining. Okay, you can see this lining, we will be adding this lining. Just to go to our plan, in this plan we have to choose here one line, or you can choose here as the polyline. Just choose this polyline, choose this line here. Then we have to choose a center part here, and then we have to just drag till here, it's the midpoint of it. We are not able to see the midpoint, so we are just placing here as the midpoint. After that you can just drag and place the point, and we will be just end up here. Once again enter it, or type space. We will be just making it in the form of the 30 degree. Okay, just and the 9 inch. Escape it once again, just make it as the 30 degree. You can just place here as the 9 inch, then tab here, and you can place here as the distance as the degree as the 150. Enter. You can see that it has been added perfectly. Just choose this part, and you can see that all the dimension are now been perfectly added. Okay, this part has been completely added. Then just select this part and type here as the J for joining them all as a one format. Okay, when you just click on it, you can see it like this way. Okay, just select it, type J, enter. It will not happen. Okay, let it be, it's not required that much part. Now we will be adding the staircase, the text. Before adding the text, we will be adding the blocks. Means the blocks means the adding the furniture area, whatever required. As you see here in this model, we have added some furniture. It is the default furniture given by the software. Okay, we will see how to add it. Just go to our plan here. In it we have to get the default furniture from the AutoCAD. There is option as the control 2. Press Ctrl 2 on your keypad, and you will be directed to this page. Many times you directly get to this home page. When you just click on it, you will get directed to this home page. In it you have to choose here as the ENUS. Just click on it, and then after a window will open of this in it we have to choose here as the design center. And you can see that this much type of the part we can choose here as the basically here we are going for the home space planner, house designer, and the kitchen. So basically we will be going for this house place planner. In it we have to choose here as the blocks. Double tap on it, And then you can see that all these details are being given. As you see that design center home is been seen here, you can see that all these details are being seen perfectly. So now how to edit, just drag and select this part, but you can see that it is in the red color yellow color format, but we want it in the hatch format, means in the block format. For the block format, we have to choose here as the layer in the choose go to this layer. In it, we have to choose here as the block, and its color is the this sink. Okay, just go to this choose it and drag it downward here, and you can see that the bed has been added here. In it, we will be adding one chair also. Just drag it and place it here. Whatever required, you can add it. We will be adding one dining here. Then we will be adding here the one lamp. We will be adding a plant here. We will be adding a sofa. There are two basically types of the sofa. We will be adding both of them. Let's see. And this part has been completed. Then we will be going back here, and we have completed this home space planner. Then we have to choose here as the house design planner. Then we have to choose here as the blocks, and in it we have to choose the different types of the blocks that we need to add. This is basically for the toilet part we will be adding. So we have to choose here as the toilet top. Then we have to choose here as sink, and this is the shower part. Okay, we will be adding it. Okay, and if anything that required, you can add from this. Just I will go back, and then after we have to go to this kitchen part. Just double tap on it, and then double tap on this blocks. Then after we have to choose some whatever you required. I will take here as the refrigerator. All these details have been present here. I will choose here as the refrigerator top. Just select it and drag it downward here. Then I will choose here as the sink double. Just drag it and down place it downward. Then one thing is required, that is the oven, that is the gas stove that is present here. Then just drag it and place it downward here. Just close this window, and you can see that this much material that whatever required for our model is been added. Just control S first of all. Now we will be start with this bedroom part. Just choose this part, and we will be placing the bed here. Just press here as the M, and just drag one point here. Okay, after dragging one point, we have to just drag it and place it here. Okay, at this corner point. And then after we have to place one lamp. We will be placing your lamp by just dragging, and you can see that the lamp has been placed. Same way we have to add a chair here. Enter, and you can see that a chair has been added perfectly here. Like this way we add a material to our bedroom. Okay, so now we have to add for this part. So how to add it? Just we will be mirror it. As the distance is same as the 14 feet and 14 feet, we can directly drag it and choose press M and place it like here. But I will just choose this drag it, and just choose here as the EMI for the mirror, as the distance is same. And choose this midpoint and just drag it downward, and you can place it like this way. You can see that the bedroom has been placed properly. Okay, the beds are being placed properly. Like this way it actually works. Now we will be adding the furniture part here. So to add the cupboard and all that, we just choose here as the rectangle, and just drag this part here, and just make a distance of 1 feet or 1.5 feet, and just I will delete it. Go once again to this rectangle. In it we have to choose here as the rectangle as the 1.5 feet. Tab, we have to press tab, and here we have to choose here as the 5 feet, or we can choose here as the 6 feet. I will choose here as the 5 feet, and once again press tab. Tab once again we will be choosing here as the 6 feet. Tab and enter. You can see that the cupboard has been added here properly. Same way we have to add a cupboard here. In this here I will be adding. So just go to this rectangle, choose here as the this point. Okay, then we have to put here as the value as the 5 feet. Tab 1.5 feet. Tab, or you can take it here as the 1 feet only. Just click on enter. After that we have to just move it in the different direction in the midpoint of this line. Okay, you can see that we have added here in the midpoint. Okay, like this way it actually works. We had added all the furniture and all that. Now we will be moving further to this dining area, or just we will be adding this kitchen part. First of all, just move it inside here, and you can see that its size is very big. So how to reduce its size? Just select this part, just press SC, enter it, and we have to just specify a base point. Then we have to just choose here as the 0.7 or 0.8, whatever required. Just I will choose here as the 0.7, and it has reduced its size. Same way for this also sink. First of all, I will place this fridge here, or the refrigerator. Just choose it and place it here. Then first of all, we will be making a this OTA of the kitchen OTA. That first of all, we just type here as the offset of about 2 feet. The OTA is about 2 feet. We take it, just drag it and place it forward like this way, and it has been made in the OTA format. Just we will be changing it layer to this block. Okay. Then we have to just select this part of this sink, and we have to press SC to reduce its size. We have to reduce its size to 0.7. Okay, like this way. Same way we have to reduce its size of this oven also. Just click here on the SC, enter. Then we have to specify a base point, and it is about 0.7, enter. And you can see that it has been made in the small size. Just move it here like this way, and we have to rotate this sink. So for that we have to just drag and on this ortho, and you can see that it has been dragged properly. Just I will choose this point and of this ortho, and you can see that the sink has been added properly, the oven has been added properly. Like this way we add all these details. Okay, now the kitchen part has been completed. We will be adding here a dining room, dining part. Okay, in this dining room, just select it and press it here. You can see that its size is very big. So how to reduce this? Just select it, then type SC, enter. We have to specify a distance. We have to just press here as the 0.7, enter. And you can see that the size of it has been now reduced. So how to rotate it? Just click it, clicking on type here as the arrow, enter. Then we have to specify a distance. We have to on this ortho mode to make it perpendicular. You can see that it is made perpendicular. We now move it to your location, proper location of this ortho, to set it wherever required. Just press it here. After that we have added the dining part area also. Now we will be adding this toilet part area. Just click on M and move it. You can see that it is the attached toilet, so we will be adding here as the M, enter, and place it here. Like this way we have to rotate it properly. First of all, just choose this rotate icon here, or you can type arrow, and once again on this ortho, place it here like this way. Then we have to reduce its scale, SC, type here. Then we have to choose the base point and make it as the 0.8. Okay, then we have to drag here as the M, and of this ortho we have to place it properly here. Okay, after placing we can do further step, that is the we will be adding this shower part. Just choose this shower part and just drag it and place it here. You can see that the midpoint has been seen here properly, but we don't want this midpoint. We will just select here, and then after we will be just adding the sink area. You can see that the sink area size is very big, so we will be reduce its size. So just type SC, enter. We have to specify the base point and type here as the 0.8, enter. And you can see that it has been reduced its size. So just drag it and place it here properly, and you can see that the sink area has been placed properly. Same way we have to just mirror it to this part, or you can place it one by one. So I will just mirror it, or you can just place it one by one. Just choose this 3 part, CO, enter. We will be just placing one by one. Then after we will just drag this part, move it like this way here. Then choose this toilet part here. Then just rotate it, arrow, on this ortho mode, drag it backward here, and place it here wherever required. Okay, you can place wherever required. Then after we have to place this oven here. We have to press this shower part just of this ortho, and just drag this part here. Like this way it works. We can move it backward also. Move it backward for the proper modeling. After that we can just choose here as the sink. Okay, just choose sink here. Just I will rotate it, RO, and select this part, enter it, just specify the distance, and we can choose it in the ortho format. Here in this plan we have seen that it is been in this format, so we'll be adding in this format only. Just we'll be moving this here, okay, shower part here. We will be just dragging it backward wherever required. The furniture part is based on you, how you want it to be looked. Okay, control S. You can give it a very much time, but in this video I will just clarify you how it actually works. Then after we will be adding the all this detail of this, our main furniture of this has been added. Now we will be adding the furniture for this uh, living area. So for that we will just type here as the move this command to this part of this ortho, and just drag it and move it here. We will just move it here, press M. We will be reducing its size to 0.8 scale, 0.8 or 0.7. Just tap it and you can see that it has been reduced the size of this sofa. Same way we have to reduce this size of this sofa also. Yes, see, and press this here, and it will be about 0.7, enter. You can see that the sofa has been added here perfectly. You can move it forward like this, M, enter, and you can move it here. You can drag and move it here like this. We have to rotate this forward like this. Just rotate in the ortho mode on, and move it backward. You can move this also backward. Yeah, move. As per you, you can give it time as much you want more perfection. Just go to this rectangle and just drag and place a table format of it, and you can see that table has been added also. We will just move it backward once again. Like this way it actually works. Now we will be adding a TV. Just select this, and we will be moving it backward somewhat. And you can see that it has been placed properly. We have to add a television here, so for that we will just choose here as the rectangle, and we will be adding here as the 2 inch. That this is about distances we will take here as the 3 feet, tab 2 inch, tab, and enter, and you can see that the television has been added. Just choose it, press M, choose its midpoint, and place the at this midpoint. Okay, you can see that the television has been added perfectly. You can add more detail to it also as per your demand. You can as per whatever you can add it. Like this way we have added the furniture. We can move this plant here also, press M, enter. Now the of this ortho, we have to reduce this size of this plant. So yes, see, we have to choose a specify base point 0.7, enter, M, enter. We have to just specify it here like this way, and control yes. We have specified all these parameters. Now we have to add for the text, the text whatever is present like this. Okay, the main part is remaining only this is adding the text. Just to go to your plan here. Then after we have to add for the text, we have to just choose here as the text in the form of the multi-line text, and in it we have to just drag it downward like this, and you can see that this length has been very much. We just drag it and make it small, and here you can type here as the whatever you want in the form of the layer. We have to choose here as the layer we will be choosing here as the text format. Just choose the text. Here the bedroom 1, it is about the size of the bedroom is about 14 feet. First of all we take the 14 feet, the width, and then the length. Okay, so its distance is 14 feet cross, 14 feet 6 inch, and we just select both of it, and just in this paragraph choose here as the center, and you can see that its size is very small, so it has been reduced. So to increase its size we have to just type here as the 1 feet, and 1 feet, and press here as a enter, and you can see that it has been added properly. Now to add its more perfectly, you can just drag it and here place it. You can see that the distance has been added perfectly. We can reduce its size to 8 inch also, or 10 inch. whatever you think it is best for you, add in that manner. Okay, I will just place after that every time you don't need to just type for each and every thing. We just do here copy paste and place here, and we can then change after the names, and all the detail will be same. Okay, here you can just trim this part, tr enter trim, wherever required you can trim. Okay, if there is a problem, um, we can trim it. Okay, now we will be adding the text with the dimension format of it. So for that we have to add here as the bedroom 2, which is about 14 feet and 6 inches, the same dimension. For the now here is the toilet part. Here we will be putting here as the name as the toilet, and here the dimension is about 8 feet, and it is about 6 feet. Okay, same way it is the same dimension present here. It is toilet, it is 8 feet, and it is about 6 feet. 6 feet. Okay, press enter, and you can see that the dimension the text has been added here properly. Then in this living room we have to add its dimension. The dimension of this living room are, here we just type here as the living room, just enter it, and here we have to specify its distance, that is the 11 feet 6 inches. 11 feet and 6 inches. Same way here is the dimension as the 17 feet. 17 feet. Okay, just side click. Then after we have to add the dining room area, dining, and just press here enter. Here we have to press here as the put here value as the 8 feet, and here it is about 10 feet dimension, 10 feet. Okay, here in this it is the kitchen part, so just press here as the kitchen, enter it, and its dimension are 8 feet 10 inches, 8 feet by 10 feet. Okay, after that we need to add for this control C, control V. Here we have to add for the staircase area. So for the staircase we have just rename it for the staircase, or you can just type here as the stairs, and here we have to know the distance of it. So for that distance we just drag this point and place it here. You can see that it is 10 feet 6 inches. So the staircase here we will taking here as the 10 feet 6 inches, and here the it is about 6 feet 6 inches as the length, and the staircase has been added here perfectly. Okay, like this way we just rotate it to be seen in perfect manner. So for that just click on this rotate, and we have to just drag on this ortho and place it properly here. Then we just move it properly wherever required of this ortho, and you can see that we have placed the staircase properly. Then after we have to just choose here as the symbol as the up. So for that we will just choose here as the multi-line text as the UP, and it should be in the form of the text format. Okay, and its dimension we will be taking here as the 10 inches for this dimension, that is 10 inches, enter, and press it like here, just reduce its size. Then after we just select it, enter for move, and place it here like this way. After that just CO copy, and we need to specify the windows. So for that we just choose this part and place it here, basically. After that we just type here as the W1, for this is the W1 window, right? So we will be typing here as the W1, control C, control V, or you can just directly type here as the CO, enter, and select the base point. Here we have to choose put here, because all of these are the W1 windows. This is the ventilation window. Okay, this is the same window. Okay, ventilator window. Here it is also the W1 window, and this is about W2 window because its size is about greater. Okay, just choose here as the W2, and you can see that all these details have been perfectly set for the windows and the dimension. Control S. Here we have to change its value to V. Just in the same way we have to change its value as the V. Enter it, and Control S. You can see we have added all of these dimensions. Now the last step, that is applying the hatch and adding a note. So basically before adding the hatch we will be adding a note here, or first of all we will be adding the hatch. We can see in our this plan only one thing is remaining, that is the adding the hatch. All the other things that we have added all the things, right? Just to go to this our plan. In it, for the adding the hatch we have to go to this option in this draw toolbar. We have to choose this option as the hatch. Before adding the hatch we have to go to this layer and choose the option of this here as the hatch. Just choose this, and in it we have to go to this draw toolbar in this ribbon area, and in it we have to choose here as the hatch layer. Just choose it, and then after we have to choose here as the solid format. Just choose this solid, and it is in the form of the, here you can see that when you just drag on this wall area, you can see that it has been same taken, but we want it in the wall area only. So we will be just dragging and placing one by one on the all the walls. Okay, you can see it perfectly that like this way we add the hatch. Same way we have to add here the hatch, and you can see that close creation, or you can directly type as the escape. Here you can just click on the close creation, and you can see that the it has been hatched the walls. Okay, so we need to provide a note now. Okay, all these details are been completed and our plan has been made perfectly. So now we need to add a note. This is the example given I have given, so this is not that much required, or you can take it also as in the form of the information. Just enter it, and here I will type here as the note. It will be in the form of the text colon, and here we will be just putting here as the uh, all the dimension whatever required. Okay, just I will drag it downward so it is taken properly. So first of all, the note is that exterior wall thickness, we have to always apply it thickness, which is about 9 inch. Then the interior wall thickness, that is about 6 inch we have taken. This note is very much important, that whatever detail we have added it will show. Then we have added the two doors, that D1 size is about 3 feet. Then D2 door, that size is about 2 feet 6 inches, or your 2.5 feet. Okay, then we have added the three windows. W1 is equal to 4 feet, W2 is equal to this is 5 feet, W2 is taken as the 5 feet, and V for the ventilators we have taken it as the uh, 2 feet. Okay, then after just we have added all these dimensions, right? And this is the whatever the I have to, for the staircase area it has been taken these values, right? So like this way we have added all these steps. And one more thing we need to add here as the what's the dimension and all this area. So we just choose here as the text, multi-line text, and in it we just here you can see that this much option is being present here. We have to just drag and reduce it like this way. Reduce it whatever required, whatever you required. Just here type here as the floor plan for, that distance is about 30 feet, cross 40 feet. First of all we take the width and then after the depth. Okay, or the length. Then we have to choose here as the 1 feet as the 1 feet as the size of it. Just tab it here. Then we have to choose here as the layer as the text. After choosing the layer, just drag it downward here, then double tap on it, and change its line thickness like this, and just move it like this way here, and you can see that our plan has been ready. Okay, whatever detail we were wanted, all the details have been ready. So we'll see that control S. First of all we go to this our plan, the pre-made plan, and in it we have seen the all this area. only lobby part is remaining, so we will be adding the lobby also. Lobby is about 11 feet 6 inch and the 13 feet. Here we will be adding the lobby 11 feet 11 feet 6 inches, and this is the 13 feet. Okay, like this way we have made our plan perfect, and the same detail we have added perfectly here. Control yes once again, and to see it in the more details, just to go to our plan here. Here you can see that all the details are been added perfectly. Then after what to do, you are not able to see the grids here, right? To see the grids you can just on this line, and you can see that the grids are been made. Okay, so in our this plan also we can just off this grid, and you can see it in more clarity like this way. Okay, now the further step, the last step, that is the printing the plan to the PDF format. So for that we just go to our steps. In it we have seen the step 8, that is the add dimension. Step 9 is the add the text and the notes. Then the step 10 is the add the hatch walls. Then the step 11, that is the export as the PDF format. In it we have exported in the format of the we will be formatting this format. So go to our model. This is the new model, right? Then after, there are basically four ways to deal with the plotting or the printing the PDF format. So for that printing, we just type here as the print, enter. Then the window will open of this plot model. This is the one way. Then the second way is directly go to this printer, just type tab here, and you can see that the same window as the plot model will open. Then the next step is that the put here as the name as the plot, and just enter it, and you can see that the same window has opened. All are the three steps. We can choose any. In the printer here, this page we have to put the setups. So basically in the page setup name we don't choose here as the none. And the printer plotter, here choose the name as the ISO this dw2 pdf.pc3. Choose this format. Okay, after that in the paper size we have to choose for the ISO A3. As per you can choose any whatever required, but I will choose here as the ISO A3 297 across 420 mm. Okay, you can see its reference has been seen here. The plot area, in this plot area we have to choose what to plot. The option is given by the software, that what to plot. Just choose here as the window. In it we have to just drag it, and select whatever area we need to plot. Just drag it and select it. Okay, after that we can there is the next option, that is the plot offset. We just choose here as the center the plot, and it will be in the form of the center. We can preview it. Just choose here as the preview, and it will look like this in the 3D format, this colorful format, our plan. Okay, so this is not looking good because so it is in the colorful format, and we have used the light colors. To how to see it in the perfect view, to see it in the perfect view we have to choose here as the black and white format. For the black and white format we have to choose here for the colorful format we have to choose here as the none as the plot style type. And for the color black and white format we have to choose here as the monochrome. Here is the monochrome.ctb. Just choose this monochrome.ctb. Then a question will appear here. Assign this plot style table to all the layout. Just click on this yes, and then after here we have to choose here as the okay, as the layout. Here you can see that this is seen. Then we have to just click here on the preview, and you can see that this is being seen perfectly. Our floor plan, that is the floor plan floor, that is 30 feet cross 40 feet. It just close it, and then after you can bold this format also. Just I will close it, cancel it, and you can bold this text also. Just double tap and just bold it to make it more look good. Okay, then after we just click once again as this plot. Choose here as the printer. In the printer we have to choose as DW to PDF. In the paper size we have to choose as the ISO A3, ISO A3 297 cross 420. In it the plot area we have to choose in the form of the window. In this window we have to choose here as the this area. Okay, after that just tab it, and you can see that the preview of it. Okay, like this is been seen. Just close it, and then we have to choose here the center of the plot. Now we will be seeing it properly. It is in the form of the center. Just close it. Here we have choose the monochrome.ctb. Just click on OK to save the file in the form of the PDF. Then a window will open where you want to save. Here wherever required you can save it. Okay, just I will save into this YouTube, and I am currently working on this series, that is the 30 days 30 floor plans. In it I only save this model. Just click on save. and the model has been saved perfectly as in the form of the PDF. Just close it, and to see it in the PDF format, just choose here, and wherever required, where it is present in this YouTube, that is making videos. Here you can see that the plan for it is seen in the main file of the AutoCAD is that .dwg, and the PDF format is seen here, that we have said. Just use any browser, and you can see that you can open anything. Okay, like this way, the floor plan is seen perfectly. Like this way you make a floor plan in ETABS. This plan you can send to your client, or as per your project in the college and all that. You can share this file. Okay, and that's it. We will be met in day 5, and we have covered all this 11 step, and that's it for the day 4 completed. And we have modified this plan to this plan. Okay, very perfectly, and seen all these detail, how to add the staircase and all these details. Okay, just that's it. And one more thing, that by completing this making this plan or AutoCAD file, you will be only become a drafter. To be become a structural engineer, you must you must be able to learn the softwares like the ETAP, StatPro, and all the other softwares. By learning only AutoCAD in the full form, you will be able to be a drafter only. You will be able to learn only the drafting skills. Okay, if you are interested in the to go in deep in the civil, you have to go for the structural skills. So for the structural skills, there are basically two softwares, that is the ETAPS and the StatPro. So basically, I have launched a course which is present on the Udemy, that is the complete ETAPS course from zero to hero. In this course we will be taking about 6 model. It is the very important course to be done, to be learn the structural software. Okay, it is everything I have taken in this course. It is about 16-hour course. Okay, and we have taken about 6 model in it. If you are interested in the structural type courses, then this is the complete ETAPS course, which is very best for you. And StatPro is very complex, means complicated. It is not that much. Its user interface is not that much good. ETAPS interface is very simple, and you will be very familiar with it very soon. Okay, so if you are interested in the structural thing, then you can go and check out our course, which is a complete ETAPS course. I will provide you the link of it in the description box, or the in the channel bio, over which you can get this course at a very minimal prices. Okay, okay, like this way we have launched a course, and if you are interested in the structure, you can buy it. And that's it for this video. See you in the day 5.